Be honest, have you ever wished you could learn anything instantly? Like snapping your fingers and boom, you just know it? Maybe you wanted to master a cool basketball move, pick up the guitar, or finally nail that viral TikTok dance. Basically, anything to stand out in a good way. As we grow, our goals shift. We want to learn skills that pay off, languages, tech, business, sports. But most of us don't learn efficiently. And that's not your fault. School trained us to memorize facts for tests, then forget them right after. But real learning isn't memorizing. It's understanding, applying, and remembering until it becomes second nature. Think back. Last time you tried to learn something, what did you do? Probably watched videos, took notes, read articles, and forgot most of it a few days later. That's because we focus too much on input, reading, watching, listening, when the real progress comes from output, doing, practicing, teaching. It's like trying to learn swimming from a book. You might know the theory, but once you're in the water, you sink. Learning is a contact sport. You've got to get in the game. And here's the key. Not everything is equally important. The Pareto principle, or 80-20 rule, says that 80% of your results come from 20% of your effort, so focus on what really matters. Learning a language? Don't start with 10,000 words. Start with the 1,000 most common. They cover most conversations. Playing guitar? Nail the basic chords first. Once the essentials are solid, the rest is easier. To lock in what you learn, use active recall. Instead of rereading something, close the book and try to remember it. It strengthens memory and shows what you actually know. Think of it like lifting weights. Just looking at dumbbells won't build muscle. Now here's a myth. Long study sessions are better. They're not. Spacing things out is far more effective. Study 30-60 minutes a day instead of cramming for hours. Every time you revisit a topic, your brain rebuilds that memory path and makes it stronger. It's like carving a trail in the forest. With time, it becomes a road. And when you do practice, don't just repeat what you're good at. Use deliberate practice. Focus on what you're bad at. Yeah, it's uncomfortable, but that's where growth happens. Drawing the same character 50 times won't help. Try drawing hands, faces, or angles. If you're good at dribbling, practice your shot or defense. Here's a trick that feels weird but works. Teach what you're learning. When you explain something even just to yourself, you're forced to clarify your thoughts. That deepens understanding and shows what you don't know yet. You don't need an audience. Record yourself like you're posting to YouTube. If you can explain it simply, you probably get it. Want to supercharge your learning? Use multiple senses. Don't just read, listen, speak, write, and watch. Learning another language? Watch movies, listen to podcasts, read out loud, write your own sentences. The more channels you use, the faster it sticks. Think of it like building a house. Bricks alone won't do it. You need wood, cement, and steel. More tools, stronger structure. Also, make learning fun. Set small goals. Reward yourself. Use apps. Compete with friends. Each tiny win gives your brain a dose of dopamine, which fuels motivation. Just be careful. Those same apps can drag you into distractions. Multitasking feels productive, but your brain can only focus on one demanding thing at a time. So when you're learning, give it your full attention. And please, don't skip sleep. While you rest, your brain processes and stores what you learned. No sleep, no retention. Finally, your mindset matters more than you think. If you believe you're bad at learning, you'll act like it. But if you believe you can improve, you will. So instead of "I can't do this," try "I can't do this yet." That tiny word shifts your focus from failure to growth. Because learning isn't just about skills. It's about becoming someone better than you were yesterday. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to level up one idea at a time.